Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to copy a link from YouTube. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on YouTube app. Okay, tap on home, scroll down, choose these videos. Okay, video. Okay, click on share and this option copy link, just click and link copy, then back, check this link and tap on notes and paste your link and done. Click this link and check, just click and show this video. That's all. Copy a link from YouTube. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe.